What's up, guys? Today we're looking at the details of the fourth and final spring do work giveaway trailer. We've looked at the LPX, the LPT, the FMAX 207, and today we're looking at this beautiful GTF car hauler. It's loaded with features and options to make hauling vehicles seamless, easy, and efficient. Let's go take a look at it. The GTF is Diamond C's premium single car hauling trailer. Now, we call it a car hauler, but it can also haul side-by-sides, ATVs, things like that. It can be very versatile. This one in particular is 22 feet long, and that starts from right here behind the shield all the way to the back of the trailer, about 83 inches wide between the fenders. Up front, we have the HD V-tongue lid area. Now, this has come from, if you watch the LPX video, look at some of our equipment trailers, this idea came from those. What it is it gives you some extended deck space up here to be able to haul. If you're going to the racetrack, you need a small generator put there, maybe a water bottle, different things that you may need to take to the track, you can actually put on top here and secure it. Inside, you also have storage area, which is really cool. You've got storage area over to the side here. This particular one, we'll look in a minute, has the winch package. So your battery, power switch, and charger are actually mounted inside the storage area, still leaving you space for straps, tie downs, things like that, and can be locked out of the way. On the front, we have the rock guard, or air dam, as many call it. What this does is it obviously is air dam, protects the front end of the vehicle when it's on the trailer from rock chips, things like that, but makes the front of the trailer slightly more aerodynamic as well. Really cool. Again, you got a show car, a nice race car, things like that on the trailer. You want to make sure you protect them from debris from the tow vehicle, and the rock shield's a great way to do that. Hidden right behind it, we have an 8,000-pound Warrior winch setup. Again, the battery and charger are mounted inside the front storage area, but seamlessly you have it right here in the front between your two tie downs. And obviously it is for, if you say you're at the racetrack and you throw a rod or battery goes dead or whatever the case, you got a downed vehicle, you can use the winch to load that vehicle up on the trailer to get you out of a jam. Really cool feature there. Now, I mentioned the tie downs. We've got 4 360-degree tie downs on the trailer, front 2 corners, rear 2 corners, makes tying down nice and easy. On top of that, we have the formed rub rail all the way down the side. You've got the stake pocket holes here, and you have these smiley tie downs that work really well for automotive straps with the rod hook as well. Or if you're hauling ATVs, whatnot, and you're using a little 1-inch strap that has a hook, those work really well. 36-inch deck step, one on each side, makes accessing the bed super easy up and down off of the deck. Speaking of the deck, this one we outfitted with the 1/8-inch diamond plate floor option. So it gives it a really racy look, cool, sleek, and it lasts a long time versus wood. You know, wood, even the treated stuff, has a lifespan, whereas the diamond plate, you take care of it and it's gonna last a long, long time. Moving back, we have this one has the 9890 package on it, which is 2 6,000-pound Lippert grease axles. And then we outfitted it with the 2-tone aluminum wheels. Looks really cool. These axles are also torsion instead of spring. So for that vehicle, it gives it a nice smooth ride as well. And then the last thing that we're gonna look at, it comes with the stabilizer drop leg jacks. What that is for is, say you're hauling a truck or something that has a little more concentrated weight and you want to stabilize the rear end of the trailer, you put those down just slightly above the ground and it supports the rear end of the trailer and also makes it a more stable loading experience because it doesn't try and pick up the rear of the tow vehicle. I said that's the last thing, but we also have 60-inch slide out ramps at the back for that loading. That wraps up the GTF. Link is in the bio, or go to diamondc.com to get entered. The time is ticking to win one of these 4 trailers. It could be you. What are you waiting for?